It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, guys. So in this video, this is an extension of the Dollar General haul that I uploaded to the channel earlier today. As you can see, I'm taking the doilies and I've lined them up and I am gluing around the perimeter of it because we're going to stuff it with cotton to make a pillow. Now, I enjoy making pillows out of these doilies, and as you can see, I'm actually gluing down one of those Dollar Tree ribbons, and that's going to complete the look for this one. Now we're headed on to DIY number 2. We are just going to take those novelty bags, stuff them with cotton, and that's going to complete DIY number 2. And now we're headed into DIY number 3. I am removing the label that was at the bottom of it. I have this drill here. I should have put on a larger bit to actually make a hole at the bottom of it because I am going to be inserting a dowel rod to make this into like a mailbox. And you see me here commenting on At Home with Kay's video that she uploaded to the channel tonight. I will link that video in the description of this one. You really want to go check that one out because she's actually making her own little Christmas village. So I am excited about this journey on her channel. And now you see that I'm taking this crate and I am painting it in the crimson red that I purchased from Walmart. It is the Waverly brand chalk paint, and I am going to paint the entire crate in this color. Now you see me distressing this here in some of that Snow White paint. If you're new to my channel, I love the rustic decor look, and with rustic decor comes some distressing. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. In addition, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you have yet to do so, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. And as you saw in that clip, I actually cut down a pool noodle because that's going to act as my floor foam, so to speak. And I am now painting that dowel rod. These rods come 3 in a pack at Walmart, and I am painting it using the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color Snow White. And that is going to be it for this particular painting. And now you see that I am stuffing that dowel rod in that hole. Now, because I didn't use a larger drill bit, I ended up cutting the circle of the hole too large. So now I am securing the dowel rod using some of that jute rope that you can find at Walmart. So guys, I pray that you all have had a blessed day. I told you that I was going to come back and bring you a DIY, and I'm excited to say that I felt pretty good to be able to do that. I think it was that coffee I had at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But nevertheless, I wanted to get this project up to the channel and give you some more Christmas content because I love crafting for Christmas. So guys, I don't know if you noticed that rash. I actually get to go to the doctor tomorrow to see what we can do to slow the spread of this rash down. Whew, I can't wait because this is an itchy rash. And now you see that I've stuffed that dowel rod in between the pool noodles, added some of that cotton to give it a snow effect. And now I'm adding that cotton around the stick and or the post of the mailbox. Yeah, that's what it is. And then you'll see me take some of these pine cones that I actually purchased tonight as well from Dollar Tree, and I am just going to add them to the base of this piece. And I did do a light brushing of that Snow White paint on top of the pine cones. I don't know, guys, it's just something about pine cones this year that I'm just digging it. As you saw in the video yesterday that was uploaded to the channel, I use pine cones as well. So guys, I want to come back and just bring your attention to that subscribe button. Again, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. And also, guys, feel free to share my videos to your family, your friends, your foe, whoever. And tell them to join the Joyful Designs family. I think they'll love it here. Okay. It's just me being Joy. But I really do. Now, you can forego doing this step. You can actually just add florals to the bottom of this base. I've done that before, and we'll do that again using the larger mailbox. So stay tuned for that. I love making these during the Christmas and Valentine's Day. I think it adds such a statement piece whenever you have it out. It's a talkative piece. People will come up or conversational piece when people come over. And now you see I wanted to break up just some of the neutralness and add a little color to this piece by adding some of those little sprigs that I purchased from Dollar Tree. They had some pretty floral pieces this over the summer, and I just felt like this was a good piece for, a greenery piece for the, like the cold weather months. Let's just put it like that. And guys, this is the reveal. I think this turned out cute. Look at my pillows. I think they are adorable. And yes, I did create the second one off camera, but I think this turned out really cute, and I hope that you all decide to recreate this for your home decor. And then here's the second DIY, the little novelty bags. This was a very, like I said, quick DIY, but it was equally as cute. Now, you've seen last year that they had the larger size bags, and people were just stuffing their kids or even older children, grandchildren, toys and stuff on the inside and stuck it under the tree. And then here's my mailbox. I think this turned out really cute. It's cute. And, I just think it's cute. You guys got to let me know what you think. Again, I think I should have, probably had some fairy lights lying around there just to make it just pop a little bit more. But I wanted to get this up on the channel. And as you can see, I added a jute twine bow to the front of the mailbox. And here are all the pieces styled together, guys. Let me know what you think. I love this. I think it turned out amazing. And I hope you did too. Please make sure you leave in the comment section which one of these were your favorite, if you had any. And other than that, please make sure that you're smiling because it increases your face value. And until the next DIY, be blessed, guys. Bye.